Hello and good evening. I'm doing a video a little bit different tonight for our training, but I wanted to show you some of the software I use. All right, so that software is, we're going to start with, this is Canva. Canva's my faves. I use Canva to make, as you can see, video presentations, logos, Instagrams, posters, presentations. I don't know if this is a software that you use, but I've used it for years. I pay for it once a year. It's like $119. So what's that? $120, 12 months, $10 a month. As you can see, all your designs. I have tons of designs. I've been playing and playing and playing. I love to play. I build Facebook covers for folks. I build graphics. I make social media posts for myself. I've built covers for my books in Canva. Now, sometimes you need really good stock photos, and we don't want to pay for those if we can avoid paying for those. Unsplash is a great place to go. That's Unsplash. Or you can also go to Pexels, right? Pexels is a great site to go to as well. P-E-X-E-L-S and Unsplash. U-N-S-P-L-A-S-H. Unsplash. So as I was saying, I use Canva to design photos, to cut things, to crop things. This is one I made earlier this morning. This morning or last night. I had fun with it. And what I do is I make a bunch. I make a couple. And if you'd like, I can get into a tutorial of how I made these. If you guys feel like that'll be helpful. So I've got another page here. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go. I'm going over here to my uploads. Now I've already uploaded media. You can click here to upload more from your device. I'm not going to show you what's on my computer. So I'm going to go back here. So these are the uploads. This is brand new and amazing. Tony, you're going to love this. Look at this. So first, I'm going to crop this off because I want to show you what this can do now. This is a brand new thing from Canva, and I love it. Do you see this? Background remover with one click. One click background remover. And just wait a minute. This is the coolest thing. Because this is why I have a membership with both Canva and PicMonkey, is because I could not use PicMonkey to take away a background and an image. So look at that glorious thing. It just cut her right out for that. Oh my god, dude, that saves me like an hour of time. I'm so happy about this. But as you can see, I'm a do-it-yourself kind of girl. I make my own graphics. I make my own websites. I build my own groups. I do it all. And that's why I'm here, and I can help you do it all for your business as well. This is my good friend Tony. And I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get into Canva and make this. So now let's go from here. Watch. We're going to give it a background. I think this color's amazing. We're going to make her a little bigger so she's not floating. I love you, Tony. I hope you're not embarrassed that you're on the screen right now, love. But you look gorgeous. And I know what her new group name is, and that is going to be, and over here, so there's all these different font examples, combinations, so like I don't even have to see what looks good together. Look at all these different options. Look at all, come on, load up, guys. I like this one. Like, look at this. Now again, I pay for this, so I have all the upgraded features, and it's fun. I can do this. Right, it's huge. What are we going to do? What are we going to do, Sarah? It's huge. Look, we go over here. We just adjust the size. It's 200. It's huge. No wonder it's huge. 144. Look how much smaller that gets. Now I'm going to make it longer. Oh, it's in front of her. We don't want it down in front of her. Over here. Position. We can put it back. Oh, maybe we can't. Oh, there it goes. Finally. It took a second. Look! Oh, sorry. Oh, Tony's floating. It's okay, Tony. Don't get car sick or motion sickness because I'm moving you around. My bad. She and I had a great conversation today, a great coaching call. So I feel like I'm still talking to her, and it's wonderful. So this is why it's dangerous, because you could play forever. Like, you could play forever. But do you see? Okay, so now I'm going to make it a little smaller because it still is in the way. So folks, this is how we build graphics. This is how we build covers for Facebook groups. And I can't spell, look, I can't spell. There we go. And so let's say we don't love this font, and we decided we hate it, and we didn't love it. We thought we loved it, we didn't love it. Let's try, what do you think of that one? Oh, that's horrible. This one? It's not any better. Ooh, not bad, but okay, but maybe not the red. Maybe that? That's not bad. That legit is not bad. But this is Canva. This is how you build graphics. I'm having fun now. And it's an amazing tool to have, and it's an amazing skill to have, to be able to build your own graphics and to be able to find your own stock photos. Let's go over here and go corporate meeting. Oh, let's look at these corporate people. Oh, corporate people. Looking very corporate. Look, this is cute. That's cute. I'd totally use this in my marketing. So is this. This one too. I can't miss these. I can't wait for these days. So I just click download. That's all I do is click download. I can say thank you. I can donate. I can give him anything. I can give him a link back, or I can just not do anything for that person, and that's okay too. It's okay. They're not mad. So with that picture, now I'm going to go over to... Oh, did I close Canva? I did not. Did I? No, it's right here. Okay. Hi, Tony. Let's start at the beginning. All designs. I'm going to create a design. I'm just going to do an Instagram post. I'm going to upload an image. You get to see what's on my computer now. We're doing it. Hi, computer. It's awake. So it's uploaded now. I just click it, and then I'm going to expand it so you can see the little dots around here. Expand it out. And believe it or not, oh, I'm so excited about this. Yeah. Because I want to show you how this goes, how quickly this can happen. Oh, I can't, I don't know what I'm doing. What is happening with this life? 2021 goals. How beautiful is that? Like, and I'm going to make it huge. And Canva's even got this really great thing. Or if you see, if I touch this box, do you see that line? Now it's telling me it's centered, but I want to get it there. Do you see the second line? Now it's centered. I don't know if that makes sense, but... And now I'm going to change the transparency of it. Oh, maybe. I love this. So I'm going to download it. Oh, wait, let's animate it. I hate that. I love that. Download. Download. All right, we're going to have to wrap this one up here pretty soon, but now I'm having way too much fun. Way too much fun. And I just made some media for my marketing. So I'm going to take this image right here. It's still preparing my design. It's taking a little while because I'm screen recording as well, but that's fine. So I'm going to go over to Facebook. I'm going to go over to my group. What group do I want to go to? Oh, the PowerPoint's online community. So much fun, so much fun. Pardon me, look at my messages. Let's go like this. It hasn't finished downloading yet. It's not here. So let's go back over to Canva. Canva. Nope, not that one. Gorgeous. Nope, see, it's not done. It's not done yet. I got ahead of my computer. I love this. I could play with designs all night, every night, all the time for folks because it makes them happy and they love me and I love doing it because I love making people happy. Find the task that you can do for folks that makes you happy. By the way, if you don't sell a product, if you'd like to be a virtual assistant, these are the types of things that virtual assistants do for others. Is they create designs, they upload things, they schedule posts. By the way, do you know how to schedule a post in a group? Let me show you. Let's start that right now, actually. So while we're here, we're going to go... Oh, I can't snag it. So we're going to grab this one for now just to demo. Do you see this little button right here? Schedule post. Did you know that? It's done. It just got done. So I'm going to set it for the 25th. Tomorrow at... Oh, not in the morning. Come on. Let's just be real. Not in the PM. What is going on? Oh, I can type it. Let's go 9:15. And let's say AM. Scheduled it. Whoops! Your post is scheduled. Now I'm going to view it because that's not what I want to do. Let's edit it. Edit. Can I edit it? I can edit post there. So, I'm going to delete it. Then we're going to hit this amazing button, which should pull back up my computers. Let's see how this goes. I miss masterminds. I miss vibing with... Hey, stop. Vibing with folks who vibe like me. If you could host your own event, where would it be? What would you teach? What would your students walk away with? So now I'm going to save it because I've already scheduled it for tomorrow. And just like that, I've created content. I created a post. I found, oh, did it change it? Reschedule post. Choose a date and time. Reschedule. I guess we'll learn. We'll see if it works. But that's Canva. That is Pexels. That is Unsplash. That is PicMonkey. That is how I create images and media for my business. And you can too. There we go, folks. We'll see you for the next lesson.